Okay, I went ahead and made a piece of toast, but I had to stop the machine before the end of the cycle, so I wanted to show you what I did. So I chose the toast feature, first thing that I tried on the machine. So this is what it toasted at 5 minutes. Okay, so that's plenty toasted at 5 minutes. The other side is a little too much. But what I want to point out is that there's a book here that they send to you, and it says down here, toast. The default temp is 425, and the time is for 5 minutes. I'm pointing that out because that's not what shows up here. So to turn on the machine, press the on-off button. You could press the menu button here and cycle through the different menu options. Air fry, bagel, bake, broil, dehydrate, frozen, grilled pizza, reheat, roast, toast, and waffle. So toast is flashing, that's my choice. And 11 just means it's the 11th item on the list. 12 is waffle. So I could go ahead and press start right now, and if I do, you'll see the number 6 pop up here. If I pressed temp, you'll see the temperature that it's set for. If I press time, it'll show you the time it's set for. So let me show you that. It's set for 4:50 for 6 minutes, but it should be 4:25 for 5 minutes. So that is wrong. So I went ahead and went through all the other presets to check, and I found that broil is set for 4:50 for 10 minutes. Broil, 4:50, 10 minutes, and not the 4:50, 5 minutes as the default. And I'm pointing this out because you just want to be careful that if you're just automatically setting something you don't want to ruin your food if it's cooking it for twice as long. And I also went through the other cycles and found that pizza, the default temp is 450, not 400. Quite a difference. We can get to pizza, and the temp is 450 for the 15 minutes, not 400. So that'll really burn your pizza. So you'll have to go ahead and manually change them. The others seemed fine. And also when the cycle is done, it's off like that. Nothing shows you that it's hot. There's no fan running until the heat is gone. There's no light, there's no nothing. So be very careful because the handle is not hot, but this whole area down here was very hot. Up here it's very hot. It also says not to put it near a gas burner, but there's my stove. So, I mean, I think this 8 inches or so that it's away is enough. And you have to give space all around it, of course, so the heat can flow. So be mindful of your toast and the other options for the broil and the pizza. And we'll leave comments and updates as I cook further and if I have something to share.
somehow at my job, I got out of doing yard work. Well, I did have to clean up the stuff, but I never had to mow or use the weed eater thing. My pretty little Nuwave oven, which I have some issues with, which I've written about regarding the way the controls work. I also guess I got lucky. Hit the jackpot here with the amount of noise this thing makes. Sounds like a truck. This quality unit should be pretty nice and quiet.